If you're looking for cheap polarized sunglasses for a wide face, check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here with my giant noggin, and I picked these glasses up by Atx Opitcal, and they are pretty inexpensive, under 30 bucks, 29 bucks, and I wanted to pick these up because they seem to have nice style, as you can see here, aviator style, all black, but they're polarized, which is kind of important for glasses. It helps filter out about 50% of the light, and if you're a fisherman or golfer or something like that, it can actually help with your vision to identify things that you're looking for, like fish or golf balls. But this is actually made for really wide heads. Now, this is actually 150 millimeters wide, which isn't the biggest, but it's pretty big, and that should actually help on my pumpkin-sized head. You can see here on the back, we do have little, I call them a harder silicone nose pad, so you have kind of separate nose pads, and if you swing out the arms like this, it's actually very light. I'm assuming that this is some sort of metal right there. It's got a nice look to it. We have, again, some of that harder rubber type of ends to it. It's kind of flexible, so it should not hurt. And you can see here, we also have some springs in here so that it will open up, especially if you have a pretty wide head. But if I go ahead and throw these suckers on, yeah, I look like Maverick. I feel the need for speed. Would think I'd fly Tomcats, but what I love about this is it's not pressing into the side of my head. It's very comfortable. 150 millimeters tends to be about the right size for me. You could probably even bend these in a little bit here to kind of clamp onto the back of your head. They're maybe just a little bit loose, but not loose enough that they'll fall off, but loose enough that they're really comfortable. And for me, I usually don't wear aviators because the low bottoms of the lenses tend to poke into my cheeks here, but even these are pretty comfy. You know, if you are looking for aviator style sunglasses that are polarized, that are really inexpensive, and fit giant noggins, check these out. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.